Hello friends, welcome back to Punjabi Mom Cooks. Look who is here. And her name is
Unnamalai. My name is Unnamalai. I'm neighbor of Priya.
And she is going to show her favorite recipe.
Paniyaram. That is Chettinad special recipe made in Tamil Nadu that is very much famous.
Oh, thank you so much. Let's start with the ingredients.
First we have to soak everything together. This is idli rice 1 cup, raw rice 1 cup, and urad dal half cup, and this is poha half cup, and then methi seeds 1 teaspoon. So everything together you have to soak for 4 hours and then grind it in the mixer or in a grinder, whichever is used for you. It is convenient, you can use that one.
Yeah.
And then you have to ferment it for overnight. Maybe overnight you have to ferment it. And then I'll tell you the procedure. After grinding, I have the batter now. It's like the idli batter consistency. So in this I'm going to put tadka and then I'm going to make the paniyaram.
Thank you.
This is for making the tadka for the batter. In this I have...
Yeah, I'll hold it for you.
This is mustard seeds, urad dal and chana dal.
Wow.
And this is curry leaves and green chilli, onion and then carrot.
Thank you.
Now I'm going to put some oil in the pan.
Yeah. Just about 1 tablespoon of oil. Let the oil become hot, and then we want a little bit of mustard seed, and it didn't. You can make out that the oil didn't become hot, so she waited. That's very important in your cooking. There you go. Now the oil is ready. It's going to splatter. Little wait. It must be more easier for you to cook in your own home. It was so nice of you to come and do this video in my house. Thank you so much.
Welcome. After making the paniyaram, you can eat this with green chutney or tomato chutney or coconut chutney.
Oh, very nice. Maybe next time you can show tomato chutney how to make it.
Sure.
Yeah. And very kindly her daughter is taking the video very nicely. Thank you so much. And we have to do this till it becomes little red, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, I can hear the splattering. So I'm really feeling hungry now.
The urad dal must be brown in color. It should not get black.
Okay. So that's the tip. It shouldn't get black. It should. Tell me when you want me to turn off the gas.
Yeah, I'm going to add this.
Add the green chilies and the curry leaves.
Curry leaves, onion and carrot.
You took 1 onion, isn't it?
Yes.
1 onion, 1 carrot. Wow, I'm so excited.
And add the carrots.
Yeah.
Once the onion is little bit golden brown color, you can switch it off and then transfer it to the batter.
Has it got to become cold before you transfer it? You can just transfer it straight away.
Right.
Okay, nice. Now we are transferring. We turn off the gas first and then just transfer into the batter.
Mix it nicely. And then I'm going to put it in this mold. I'm going to.
And if you notice, she has already put some oil in them. Can you see? Just a teaspoon of oil. That's it. And then she is going to use a chopstick to remove them. And all these ingredients she has prepared from her own home and brought. Thank you so much for doing this video. So kind of you. You have to inspire other people to cook as well. It is so nice of you to come and do this.
Thank you.
Now she's going to tell you the measurement.
Just I'm going to check whether it is ready or not.
So for
Or
that,
it's not
she
yet
just-
ready.
it's not ready, so she won't put it. It has to be really hot, isn't it?
Yes. it
Yeah,
has to
and
be
then
very hot.
so that it pops up, it comes up, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Little like an yeah.
Otherwise it will get sticking to the vessel.
Otherwise, the important tip here is that it will get stuck to the vessel. So you have to make sure it is really hot. She's going to check again.
Yeah, it's ready now.
It's ready now. Wow. Simply amazing. It is really difficult to cook in someone else's house and to actually show the video. So I hope after this video lots of people actually like and comment on this video. And here you go. And then she'll tell you when it is ready. Have you got to cover it or you have to just leave it?
You can leave or you can cover.
You can leave it or you can cover it up. It's up to you. Friends, have a look. Thank you so much for showing
It is
us.
ready now.
Yay! And we're going to have this with green chutney today. Here you go. She's removing it. Let me help her. There you go. They look so cute. Wow, very nice. Very nice. And look, she made this earlier as well. I'm going to put it on the top. And then I'm going to taste some. Let's taste it. You have a taste as well?
Yeah.
Wow. Simply amazing. Wow. Thank you. Thank you for showing. Bye for now.